Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, iMamelodi Sundowns i-ready ukuhambisa umdlalo wabo on permanent basis uKodisang ulaphana ePortugal ku-loan. Wasayina iMamelodi Sundowns bekunebhazz serious around yena ukuthi basayina umdlalo odlala onomo base laphana ePortugal, but izinto azange zimhambele kahle laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns at all bafethu. So he had to push for imove ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns imdedele ukuthi ahambe abuyele laphana e-Europe. Kubonakala ngathi-ke iMamelodi Sundowns between yena ne-future kuMamelodi Sundowns ayisekho. In fact ayisekho, ne-relationship i-broken because of umdlali walwa neMamelodi Sundowns bafethu ukuthi alokhu njani ahambe. Why bamsayina iMamelodi Sundowns ngemali, to be fair, and then yena uhlulekile ukuzi-establisha laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, to be fair, as one of the starters or even as one of the most influential guys kuMamelodi Sundowns, starting even from the bench, but he was nowhere to be seen isikhathi esiningi laphana for yena neMamelodi Sundowns or kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi adlale. And then-ke he pushed for i-move away, finally got i-move ukuloni laphana bafethu i-team yakhona i-Aves FS laphana ePortugal, esedlala amagame awu-4 already laphana kwi-league yasePortugal. It's better than on average because i-league vele iqeda ukuqala. So naye ne-agent lakhe, they're looking to obviously to get more game time, more minutes Mamelodi Sundowns, which was something that was not offered from Mamelodi Sundowns. Is not coming back, and Mamelodi Sundowns, ama-reports that they paid over 10 million ukuthi bambuyise la eSouth Africa, but izinto azange zihambe kahle. But at the end singayiblame Mamelodi Sundowns, kuyiblame, but kumdlali mosayina neMamelodi Sundowns is not gonna be easy. Uyazi ukuthi usayina nesquad esiyi-quality, esine-quality, so ukudlala for yena bafethu ngeke kube lula at all bafethu, ngeke kube lula, kuzoba nzima kakhulu. So yeah, simfisela inhlanhla laphana ePortugal. Funny enough, nasePortugal bafethu usedlala amagame awu-4, but-ke sokudlalwa amagame awu-11 eligini lasePortugal, meaning that even nasePortugal abamthembi that much, to be fair. Ube ku-starting 11 kanye nje kuphela laphana ePortugal this season, one time ku-starting 11. And then amanye amagame uqala ukhona esquadini and then uzongena as i-substitute. So yeah, but-ke ngathi khona, I don't think uphazamisekile bafowethu, or kuthiwa uphazamisekile man, khona kuthiwa uphazamisekile in terms of ama-injuries. Yabo lezi zinto zama-injury ngiyazibuza mina ukuthi hayibo, uKolisanga nalena uye ePortugal akadlali still, but udlalile lawo ma-minutes lawo, but-ke not enough in terms of amagame awu-11. If uqale kayi-1 kuphela, but-ke I'm getting ukuthi une-injury abedila nayo, but ngathi akusiyo into serious because uphinde wabuya ngokushesha. So umdlali lona o-versatile okwazi ukudlala kuma-different position. Asindlule kuKolisang, let's hope uzothola something permanent laphana ePortugal, because if into akhala ngayo kakhulu bafethu i-game time. So iyafuneka ngempela i-game time bafethu. Akusiwuye kuphela obviously iplayer kuMamelodi Sundowns elikhalela i-game time. Thapelo Maseko naye ukhalela i-game time kuMamelodi Sundowns. But what I like about Thapelo Maseko bafethu ukuthi he's able to call himself out, asho ukuthi yena is not giving enough. Ngabe kwamanye amagame, like whenever he's given an opportunity to play, ngabe uperforma kahle kakhulu, but-ke konke ukubeka kuye, akablame abanye abantu ukuthi abanye abantu abamdlalisi. Uke wazama ukuyenza leyo nto leyo Thapelo Maseko, but-ke azange imbeke ndawo because of the moments la kuMamelodi Sundowns bamnika khona ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale. Unfortunately-ke sabona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoThapelo Maseko, but yeah, he's taking responsibility. Uyasho nawo umfana ukuthi-ke kwamanye ama-moments bayamnika laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke yena beyangekho ready ukuwathatha lawo ma-opportunities, noma akawathathanga lawo ma-opportunities. Kumele enze kangconywana ukuthi athole ama-opportunities bafethu ukuthi adlale laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So simfisela inhlanhla. So bona ngoJanuary now Thapelo Maseko is also linked away again from Mamelodi Sundowns. NgoJanuary azofika ama-team abuze ngaye, but-ke konke kulele kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns yona izothini. Asimuveni-ke from ama-player bafethu. I wanna get to sporting director seMamelodi Sundowns. Sike sakhuluma ukuthi ubani uFlamingberg kuke wakhuluma ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso bafowethu njengoba laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns watshelwa ukuthi kumele awine wonke ama-cup abawadlalayo, everything nje abayidlalelayo ayiwine. Yiyo into vele abekelwe yona kuMamelodi Sundowns. But guess what, uMiguel Cardoso since afikele kuMamelodi Sundowns wahluleka ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup, wanokha out i-Kaizer Chiefs, wahluleka ukuwina i-MTN 80, wanokha out i-Orlando Pirates, i-Carling wanokha out i-Marumo Gallants, ku-CAF ku-final washawa i-Pyramids. Only uwina iligi nje kuphela, which is something vele athole sebayiwine 7 times in a row, yena wayiwina kwesi-8 kuMamelodi Sundowns, something that is given for them. It's not like ukuthi ubawinisa into abastruggle-ayo kuyiwina. But to my surprise, uMiguel Cardoso usasekhona kuMamelodi Sundowns, azange aye ndawo, but uManqoba Mnqithi waxoshwa immediately after yaluza against iMagis, which means that kunama-double standards bafethu kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ucoach omnyama abacabangi nakawu-2 bavele bamxoshe same time. ORlando Mokwena bahamba badlala ibhola elihle, but iligi bakwazile ukuyiwina, futhi uRlando Mokwena ukwazile nokuwina ne-Africa Football League, ube ne-better success compared to abanye ocoach or uMiguel Cardoso, but-ke still he was fired from Mamelodi Sundowns. But-ke nangomlungu wase-Europe yena akenzi kahle, even ama-fans awam-understand-i kahle, they're calling for his head, but management eMamelodi Sundowns isamgcina. uFlamingberg omunye umlungu vele ophethe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, sporting director, naye is supporting uMiguel Cardoso ukuthi abe khona laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Well, amahemhem ayasho ukuthi vele kuMamelodi Sundowns baprefera abelungu than abantu abamnyama kuma-positions laphana. And ke waphuma ney'ndaba zokuthi uFlamingberg yena i-sporting director eMamelodi Sundowns, njengoba kuthengwa ama-European ama-players wase-South America, ahola iy'mali ey'nkulu compared to ama-senior players laphana amnyama eMamelodi Sundowns. So izinto ekumele bazame ukulungisa bafethu, because khona ama-senior players kuMamelodi Sundowns deserve way more respect compared to ama-South Americans angayenzeli lutho eMamelodi Sundowns. So uFlamingberg naye yeah, for me, I think they deserve a better sporting director, hayi umuntu ozofavor, yabo, ozoba fair ukuthi if iMamelodi Sundowns kumele bawine ama-cup, bawine in everything on offer. uMiguel Cardoso seluze ama-cup, ama-local cups awu-3, enye uluze okay, kufinal akafiki nokufika, at least abanye bebafika kufinal yena akafiki nokufika. Local competitions bamshaya kuboma-semi-finals or before even lapho. Marumo Gallants imshaye first round bafowethu, first round yaku-Carling knockout. Yeah man, hayi ziyakhala eMzansi, ziyakhala. So I mean bamsupporta ngoba umlungu, and then abanye abantu they overlook them, but yeah, it's okay. Even nebhola lakhe ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns ayakhala ukuthi ayawina ukuwina lapho, but-ke it's not enough because of they want more in terms of entertainment bona, but not just entertainment ukuthi bashaye iy'tayela, no, yokudlala nje kahle, ukuphasa ne-identity ne-style sabo. Uma ubheka last season ukudlala bebanama-better points on average compared to this season. First 12 games or 11 games abayidlale eligini bebanama-point a-better compared to isikhathi saka-Miguel Cardoso kuMamelodi Sundowns, okusivezelayo ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso has failed kuMamelodi Sundowns according to standards sabo, but uMiguel Cardoso is still preferred laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, which is some sort of kuyathusa in a way ukuthi standards eMamelodi Sundowns is-drop-ile, but they still supporting ucoach. According to standards eMamelodi Sundowns, I'm not saying mina kumele bamxoshe uMiguel Cardoso, but I'm saying standards eMamelodi Sundowns require ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso abanike something better, something different than ama-previous coaches. But i-record lakhe mawubheka u-evaluator i-performance yakhe nje yonke since efikile kuMamelodi Sundowns, ayikho into ayitshentshile kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns is not better under Miguel Cardoso, but-ke une-backing ye-sporting director lesi vele kuthiwa siprefera abelungu. Ziyakhala bafowethu, ziyakhala. Sithemba ukuthi but ayikho into ezolunga-ke, yabona i-sporting director esithatha wonke ama-decision for iMamelodi Sundowns, so uye oprefere uMiguel Cardoso kunabanye ocoach. Maybe uye futhi omsupportayo in terms of i-backing. That is why uMiguel Cardoso is still there, because of if bathi bona bekumele Miguel Cardoso, he was given i-task yokuthi awine everything on offer. Uze wadlala nalento le FIFA Club World Cup, ukuthi ne-FIFA Club World Cup bekumele, if possible bekumele bazothi bayayewina, but I mean, come on. Yeah, but yeah, Miguel Cardoso has failed at Mamelodi Sundowns. But he's still there, akayindawo. So ziyakhala because of they prefer batreat-a kahle abelungu than njengoba bengishilo bafethu abantu abamnyama. It's the problem yase-South Africa nje, everywhere ukuthi abelungu they are preferred than abantu abamnyama. Everywhere you go, every working sector. But ngicela ukubamba la izami Miguel Cardoso, sengikhuluma izinto ezi-negative nje kuphela. Umoya wami awuvumi ukuthi ngikhulume izinto ezi-negative nje kuphela bafethu. But simfisela inhlanhla uMiguel Cardoso ukuthi akwazi ukuthena izinto around laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns if kuzoba possible. But yeah man, it's not a good thing iMamelodi Sundowns ezithola kuyo ukuthi bangakwazi ukuwina even a cup competition, not even a single cup competition under Miguel Cardoso. There's nothing to show for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi utransform iMamelodi Sundowns, ayikho ngempela into abanika yona tangible. But he's still preferred, he's still there, he's still their number one coach or preferred coach. No one will come between him neMamelodi Sundowns because of backing ye-sporting director laphana ethimini bafethu. Ziyakhala, danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe.